Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordan 7s, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Straightening by Migos. Pretty good song, not the best, not the worst. Go listen to it, and yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan 11 Flints. I was able to get these for retail off of DTLR. I got a size 9, and retail was $190. Ended up paying around $210, I believe, after tax and shipping. And yeah, let's just take these out. We have the regular black like plastic paper, and here we got the shoes. So let's take these out real quick. These weren't too hard to get. Literally, I think they're still sitting on like some stores, so if you actually do want a pair, you are able to get it, and they have been restocking a lot. So yeah, I just think that this is a really clean colorway, and that's coming from somebody that really doesn't like the Jordan 7 all that much. I can appreciate the Jordan 7, but it's probably my second least favorite shoe out of 1 through 14. So this is just a really clean colorway, and I'm actually happy I was able to pick it up, and this should be how sneaker releases should be. These shoes did sell out on Sneakers app, obviously, but I think you can probably go into like a random Foot Locker and find them, which is great. So yeah, let's get into materials real quick. You can see it right here. It has a nice like nubuck suede. It moves back and forth, which is great. It's really soft. You also have a nice leather, which is pretty soft. It's actually pretty good quality. And we have the back 23. So yeah, it's basically just all nubuck and leather. We also have the Jordan 7 tongue up here. In case you guys do not know, every single Jordan 7 tongue is different. That means this pair isn't the same from your pair, and your pair won't be the same from, I don't know, your sister's pair. So yeah, the last time these did release, I believe it was 2006, and these do have a little bit of differences between that pair. I think the only difference is that the gray is a little bit more dark on this pair, and also the bottom, I believe, is a little bit lighter on the newer pair. So yeah, I'm actually surprised how good materials are on this shoe. Like, I genuinely didn't expect it to have this good of quality. One of my favorite details has to be the little aglets that the shoe has. I was expecting it to have regular aglets, but it actually has metal ones, which is pretty cool. Jordan 7s usually don't come with a metal aglet, so it was a really nice touch that they added. I also love this like purple right here. Like, it looks so nice. I also really like how it looks on the Jumpman right there. So yeah, this is just an overall great colorway, and I'm happy that everybody was able to get their pair for retail. Resale wise, these don't go for much. I believe they only go for like $215, $220 in some sizes, which is great. You don't have to pay that much. I suggest not paying resale though. These will 100% restock. Like, there's literally still pairs in stores, so I'm sure there's going to be a restock on DTLR, Finish Line, Foot Locker, Champs, like pretty much every single store out there. So yeah, I'm gonna just stop talking and let me spin the shoes around for you guys. So yeah, man, this is just a great colorway, and I'm really happy that they were accessible for everybody. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 7 Flints. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.